And now we're gonna make an Instant Pot cheesecake. We're gonna add Snickers to it. First up, we need to prep the Fat Daddy OP. I'm gonna use Baker's Joy Nonstick Spray. I'm gonna spray the little bottom part first. And I'm just gonna wipe that around on both sides. Really didn't need quite that much. Just need enough to keep that stick to it. And then we'll spray the rest of the pan. Wipe off the rim. We'll set that aside right there. My KitchenAid food processor. And now we're gonna make the crust. I have a pack of green crackers. I'm gonna add some Snickers mini pretzels. A couple handfuls. That way we'll get the sweet and the salty flavors in the crust. Okay. Okay. Unplug that for now. Get a bowl. I had sugar in here, so. So the crust calls for the graham crackers, 4 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons brown sugar. I'm melting the butter. I'm gonna go get the salt and the brown sugar. After, I'll pour this mixture in there. And you can see the bits of pretzel in there. Here, and the crust. Making a mess. That done so good till right there. Cheese on your crust to the bottom and up the sides. Press down as you go. My hands are clean. Don't ever be in the kitchen. Dirty hands. Now this goes into the freezer until you're ready with the batter. Now we're ready for the batter. You need 2/3 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 pinches salt, 16 ounce cream cheese, 1/2 cup sour cream, 2 teaspoons vanilla. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, 2 eggs. Before I go get some of these, let's put some of the stuff that we already have ready here in the bowl. That was 8 ounces. Cream cheese. Here's the other 8. It's been sitting out in this at room temperature, so it's soft. It's still not much easier. Do the 2 eggs. Two tablespoons of vanilla. I'm gonna go get the sugar, cornstarch, and salt. I'm gonna mix all of this together, and then I will add the Snickers at the end, and then we'll put it in the crust. Take it to the Instapot. Wait. I already have a cup of water in. Here's the lid. Make sure it's not sealing. It's all here to the lid. Good. And we do pressure cook. Turn off the keep warm button. We're gonna pressure cook for 26 minutes. Now it's time to mix the topping for the cheesecake. I have sugar and sour cream in here. And I'm doubling the topping. The topping calls for 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. Well, I'm doubling it because we like the topping. You just mix this together. Gonna go get the cheesecake out of the Instapot. Lay lay this down to sit the cheesecake on. Here's the cheesecake. Now there's a little water on it. I poured a little bit of it off. I dabbed some more of it off. Now we just add the topping. Spread it over. You refrigerate this for at least 4 hours. But I have found that it really needs to go overnight. And when you add mix-ins like I did with the Snickers, it's best to do it a couple days before you're gonna serve it, so it can really set. That's it. I'm going to sit this in the refrigerator until we're ready to eat it in a couple days.